India has demonstrated strong preparedness to navigate sustained geopolitical volatility in global energy markets and will continue to remain the center of international energy dialogues, Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Puri said at the closing ceremony of India Energy Week 2026. Addressing the closing fireside chat, Puri said India's energy strategy is anchored in diversification, resilience, and forward-looking transitions. He noted that the country has successfully managed successive geopolitical shocks by converting challenges into opportunities through diversification of supply sources and a rapid transition towards cleaner fuels. Highlighting India's global standing, the minister said the country is the world's third largest energy consumer, fourth largest refiner, and among the top exporters of petroleum products. He asserted that India would continue to ensure the availability, affordability, and sustainability of energy even amid global uncertainties. Referring to global price volatility, the minister said India has successfully shielded consumers from international energy shocks. He noted that global turmoil has not been passed on to consumers and that India currently has among the lowest energy price globally with uninterrupted supply maintained even during period of crisis. The report News Now.